I want to make a dress. I want a dress that has a very simple design, well detailed. I want a dress that describes me, simple, classy, clean finish, not too much paparazzi, just a little details here and there, and a burst of colors. And I want the dress to be centered around the theme of Valentine, that is love. Yeah. So I want you to come with me on this journey. This video is not so planned, so that's why it might look some type of way, but I want to take you along on this journey. I will be making my sketch right here, so I want you to watch me work. It's my dress, and I'm hoping it will come out really nice, so that if other people like it, we could make it into some other colors that every other person can access. I'm ready for my sketch. I don't know how to sketch so much. I just try. I have a lot of designs in my head, and sometimes I just want to put it down. This is a new design that is unfinished, but hopefully I'll be able to get it. So I want to work on something like this. You can see this is for a pink fabric, but I'm going to be lifting this element for my red dress because I think it will suit it. This element will be like a little bit bolder on my red fabric, and I want a joining on the waist. So let's move on. Like I said, I'm a bit terrible with designs, but I'll try my best. Okay, so I learned a bit of sketching some time ago, so I like to draw out my basic croquis, so the damage is a bit minimal. I'm still open to learning how to design, learning how to sketch if I have a teacher. I'm open to learning. I'm open to learning. Okay, so I'm contemplating having a different upper body. So maybe I'm just going to sketch the two designs and we will pick one. Sure. I have this neck. With this, and I think it's looking a bit corporate already, because if it's going to be high up here, it's going to be a bit corporate, and that's not what I want. But I think I should just go on and complete my sketch to see if there's anything that can be done. So I don't want this dress to be too short. I want it to be slightly above my knee, just slightly above my knee. So normally for this kind of dress, it has more fitting if it's short, but I don't want to wear short dress because I want something I can wear to church. Okay, so it will have like a waistline, a dart here. I guess I should rub this off. So I said I wanted something, a simple design, but so this is the sleeve. It's gonna have a short sleeve, a short sleeve. I know when you have a terrible sketch, it makes your design look like it's going to come out like really bad, because this does not look good, which is why I do not like to sketch. This does not look good. No, 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 no. Okay, well, I have something in mind. So, like I said, I want to lift the element, this fringe element for a dress like I don't want this the fringe to be too long. I want it to look exactly like what I have on my previous sketch. But this time around, I want to add I want to add a ring. I want to add a ring to mine. Yeah, I want to add a ring to this. So on the ring, I can attach the fringe on the ring. Yeah. So looking at this, it looks like a corporate dress. I'm not seeing that Valentine feel, so I wouldn't go with this because I'm not saying the Valentine. Next one. This is a nice. This is going to make a nice dress, but the let me see. I want it to have pockets, mock pocket, not real pockets. I want it to have like pocket flaps here. Yeah, but it looks too corporate-ish. I want something that looks really casual. Yeah, like casual. So I will go with my next design. I want to make another design, and it has been in my head for the longest time, but I think I don't have the right fabric for the upper body yet. But let's see what I have. I think I should sharpen my pencil more. So in this next sketch, I'm trying to make the skirt a little bit wider. I want the skirt to be like wider. So I'm thinking wider might make it look more glamorous. But the only problem I'm having is that I don't want to have an underlining. I don't want to have a lining, nothing. I want the dress to be very light. I'm hoping that it will come out nice without lining. If it does not, I am going to reduce it to straight. So I want this upper part to be like another, like a net outfit. A net outfit that will have like something here, like a ruffled, the same net. I used to make like a ruffled extra neck. And now on the chest line, there'll be like a sweethearts. Yeah, so pretty. Yes, I want a sweethearts. I think this is nice. I think it's nice. So now, but if I'm making something like this, I would rather it is a long sleeve. I want a long sleeve. I want a long sleeve that is wider on the arm, wider. I want it to be wider on the arm, wide arm. This arm is too long. I want a wider arm. I'm so sorry, I don't know how to sketch so much. So I said I wanted a wider arm, wider arm, wider arm, wider arm. So wider arm, wider arm. Then on the arm, I want a little bit of fringe, if possible. So this is the arm, wider arm. On the arm, I want fringe. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. So on the arm, I want a little bit of fringe. So there'll be like a little fringes, little fringes, little fringes. So the fringe will be from the original fabric. And here will be nets. I think this is so pretty. This represents me very simple. So like I said before, I wanted like rings, but I think the rings will be a bit distracting to be too much. Personally, I don't like too much elements. So for this design, I want the fringe to come directly. So the fringe will be the same fabric with this body. So this is what I want the fringe to look like, and this is what I want the body to look like. So I think we can have like a mid joint here. This is not bad. Then my fabric has like this kind of design. Okay, my dress has this type of design, and let me see if I can make a pretty eyes. I hope this eyes will not disappoint me. Eyes, please don't disappoint. I want to draw like my favorite kind of eyes. My favorite eyes are like cat eye. Unity. Smile. Uh-huh. Oh my gosh, she looks so ugly. Let's do another lips. How do I do it? Smiling lips. Oh, people that sketch, you guys are trying. I'm sorry about the lips, but look at this design. I think this design, it's, I love it. I absolutely love it. And this, yeah. So we have this or this. Which one would you go for? How my fabric looks like. So I want to show you what exactly my fabric is. So this was the fabric I chose for my Valentine design, like Valentine themed design. This fabric I chose. And so I'm gonna use like a, I think I can use like a lace top here. Watch out for my design. Bye. If you like this video and you like everything you have seen, it looks interesting, what you can do for me, you can always tap on the subscribe button and watch my videos. I have educative videos down below. Try not to download my videos, watch and rewatch again, because I'm trying my best to get my videos to 3,000 watch hours. My watch hours have reduced by more than 1,000 hours, so I don't know, I'm a bit down because of that. So just share this video with your friends who might need this and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So guys, watch out for the final look.